Hello. Oh, hello, camera. I didn't see you there. This is my American doll. I just did my preps and I'm about to go to sleep. I just did my homework. Oh, I did really good. This is my American doll. It costs so much money. Oh, guess what? I'm about to go to sleep, so I'll talk about sleepy stuff. Well, sometimes I sleep about good stuff. Sometimes I dream about sad stuff. But don't worry, they're not real. Oh, guess what? I didn't watch TV. I did. Oh, I wanted to watch Justine Dog with the blog, but I watched two things today. It was Good Luck Charlie, and it starts with F, the other one. Well, I don't know, but I'm about to go to sleep, so this is going to be some kind of short, though. This is my American doll. American doll, say hi. Hi. Hi, everybody. My baby sister's sleeping, and my dad. Well, not totally yet. Well, I want you to. This is my room. Look at all around. This is my pillow. Minnie Mouse, see? Okay, don't show that. And this is my American doll. She looks just like me in the hair. Look, I put it over this. Look, watch this. Some of her hair goes like, I don't remember what. Some of the hair goes like this. And some of my hair goes like that too. See?